The Australian star opened up about her low self-esteem regarding her part in the film Margot Robbie may have shot to fame following her appearance in The Wolf of Wall Street, but has now revealed the one reservation she had about playing the part. In an interview with Wonderland, the Australian actress opened up about her low self-esteem regarding the role of Jordan Belfort's wife Naomi. A character, she explains, was described in the script as the hottest blonde ever in the 2013 film from Martin Scorsese. When I was playing Naomi in The Wolf of Wall Street, it was so high-tempo sexy. I was acutely aware that the line in the screenplay was the hottest blonde ever, and clearly not the hottest blonde ever, she said. I was just terrified that people would see the movie and think she's not that great. Former Neighbours star Robbie, who is promoting Goodbye Christopher Robin, will next be seen playing ice skater Tonya Harding in forthcoming biographical drama I, Tonya, which recently won rave reviews at TIFF Toronto International Film Festival. Goodbye Christopher Robin is an upcoming A.A. Milne biopic. Ironically, Tonya wasn't unattractive, she's just been marred with that story, she said. The worse I looked, the happier people were. A lot of the press surrounding I, Tonya has focused on Robbie's transformation, something she isn't too impressed with. All the reading, all the acting coaching, and then someone reviews the movie or interviews you and all they do is focus on the aesthetics, she expressed. You think, fuck you. Yeah, I've totally discredited the work I did, and it's not fair. Goodbye Christopher Robin is in cinemas now. Reuse content. We use cookies to enhance your visit to our site and to bring you advertisements that might interest you. Read our privacy and cookie policies to find out more.